When I was 10 years old, we were forced to flee our home in Colombia. I didn't speak any English. I was not prepared for what life was going to be like and the challenges ahead. Around 2018, there were migrant caravans that were coming up from Central America. I wanted to see what was going on, and when I did, I was shocked. There wasn't a safe space for children. It's very unfair as a child to go through this experience. That's when we created Yes We Can World Foundation. At Yes We Can, we provide a variety of services for incoming families, housing support, legal support, mental health resources, so they can come out better on the other side. When we started, the tiny home movement was happening, and I immediately said, if people are turning buses into houses, why can't we turn a bus into a mobile school? The Yes We Can Mobile Schools program is the first bilingual accredited school program at the US-Mexico border. What we're building at Yes We Can is that space that I needed as a child, that kind reminder that we're on this together and we're gonna protect you. We wanna be able to change the narrative around immigration. We want refugee children to see this as something that they can grow from and empower them to dream as big as they can.